Menteri Ketenat PHE ke Meghalaya Marcuise and Marak Ulayatho baka Sorkar Pdeng kalau kular ban pelatno ke Pisa na kementa ke JJM mission au benai Kyllalyngkot ke senam arazar apun rio. Ada berok ke Jylla kila ban pembet igijing bakla hakar kompentri kam. Abakrani kila patai kubor ke kat nyautrek uno opera arazar apusan Ulayatho bahado menta ke Jylla Meghalaya kila pendap Pyllait na ke Shispa ya ke jing trei ya ke JJM mission. Menteri ula pensyai bagi jing ki bapen slam ke Pisa ki dai bakta giwe pagi Jylla om ya ke Meghalaya. Ke Sorkar Meghalaya kadang don kumbah nyos pa klur tam ke ban siu syagi kontraktor. Kini gidi gibil ki beladap ban le ya ke third party inspection baik beladap rung hak MIS. Ulang bawa ke Jylla ke yat ba don pat katu kani ki project ki ba bet pat hak rukom penteri. Nama kata Menteri udah betah ke officer ban syam ki senjam ke betagi persya ki kontraktor ki bampen trai renti ya kakam.
JJM, Government of India is not releasing the fund. But however, Government of India has called for a meeting day before yesterday. All the chief engineers of all the states were called to Delhi and they had a meeting. And I was briefed by chief engineer today that Government of India will be releasing very soon, but it will be in the month of January because some of the states were having lots of difficulties with the JJM projects, and they are told to rectify the problems or issues that they were having.
So because not in Meghalaya but in other states also, there have been a lot of negligence in the way the work was implemented. So is it because of this? Is it happening the same Meghalaya that the work is not up to the mark?
No, work is up to the mark. Everything is online here in Meghalaya. We have completed around 83 plus percentage in Meghalaya. There are some discrepancies which we are rectifying, but I was talking about other states. Other states are having lots of issues and problems because of which Government of India said that see, address to those issues and problems and concerns, and after that we will release the fund. So the chief engineers of all the states were called to Delhi and they had a meeting and were informed that once it is done, almost every state is complying to the direction of this central government, and then once that is completed, they'll be releasing the fund. That will happen most probably by January.